All right, guys, welcome back. So we're talking Tesla Model Y order updates. So I've done a few videos on my Tesla Model Y. I ordered it back in August 2021, and I've been getting delays after delays after delays. This is probably the 13th delay that I've had so far with this car. So all of March, the time frame said April 2nd to April 30th. And that was the case almost all of March. April 3rd rolls around, and of course I was probably expecting this. Now, thanks to most of you guys who were kind of updating in the comments, just kind of telling about your experience. Due to that, I was actually expecting that I wasn't going to get mine in that window. And so when April 3rd rolled around, the Tesla changed the date again, and now the date is April 19th to May 17th or something like that. It's like it's pushed out into May, and probably even later. So I have not gotten my Model Y yet. The Model Y is still waiting to get it. And based on what I'm hearing from others in the comments of these videos is that I'm probably not going to get it till summer or even later. Now, there is something happening at Tesla. Tesla's having a Giga Texas factory event on April 7th. So that's coming up in just a couple days. And that's supposed to be the official opening date of the Tesla the Tesla factory in Texas, where they're going to be building the Model Y with the new battery pack, the structural pack, and so hopefully that means they're going to start pumping these things out. I mean, that would be great news if they can start building these cars at the Texas factory and start getting some of these orders through, and I actually start getting a realistic time frame to getting this car, because right now, every time I get to the time frame that they indicate, it just keeps getting pushed back and pushed back, and doesn't seem like there's any end in sight. And I'm hoping I can get it at least by summer. I mean, the summer is pretty optimistic. Even at that point, it might be a whole year before I get the car. So pretty frustrated, kind of disappointed that I didn't get that I'm not getting the car right away. I'm not getting it probably in April. It's probably going to be May, June, or even later. But I'm not canceling. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm going to see how it goes. Because right now, because I ordered it in August 2021, I'm getting it for cheaper than if you order it now. Right now, if you order, it's $10,000 more than what I placed the order for. So I'm already going to be ahead if I get the order and fulfill the order and take delivery of the vehicle. I'm already going to come out ahead on this vehicle. So I'm hoping that I get it. I do think that Tesla is delaying the long-range versions. So long-range versions, and if you don't do full self-driving, you're like on the very bottom of the list with Tesla, because that's just not a priority for them. They don't have they want me to buy the self-driving. If I'd have done self-driving, full self-driving, and a performance, which probably would have been almost $15,000 more than what I had ordered my car for, they probably would have delivered that within a month or two from ordering it last August. I would have got it probably in September, October 2021, but I didn't. I ordered long range with it's 7-seat long range, 20-inch wheels, tow hitch, black on black, and I don't have it. So anyways, guys, that's an update on the video. Leave down below in the comments what your situation, what your estimated delivery timeframes are, because that's helpful for all of us to know when people are getting their cars, what your spec is on your car, and what they're telling you delivery timeframes. So anyways, I hope we all get our cars soon. Anyways, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.